What's up everyone, welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over 5 different YouTube retargeting strategies that you can use and incorporate in your own campaigns, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set them up for your campaigns as well. So first, let's quickly go through some of these different retargeting strategies. Now these are very basic overall, they're not going to be anything too crazy or specific, but they're really good starting points if you're not running retargeting ads already with your YouTube advertising campaigns. So a couple different options you have. Retarget YouTube viewers. So you can retarget anybody who's watched any of your videos. You can retarget people who watch specific videos. You have a lot of different options when it comes to people who are watching your organic YouTube channel videos. Number 2 is going to be retargeting people who have watched your YouTube advertisements. So if you're running a lot of YouTube ads, this can be a great option to make sure your message is resonating with people who have already viewed one of your advertisements. Retargeting your website visitors. So you have a ton of different options as far as website remarketing. One of the things you can do is just target all visitors. Anybody who's been to your website, you can target them with your YouTube video advertisement. Otherwise, what you can try to do is segment some of the different pages and categories on your website so that you're reaching people with the right message at the right time based on what they're actually looking at on your website. Number 4 is retargeting YouTube engagement. So people who have left a comment, people who have liked one of your videos. You can target people who have recently subscribed. So you can retarget people who are actually engaging with your YouTube channel. And then last but not least, combine retargeting audiences. Maybe you want to combine people who are watching your YouTube videos, people who are visiting your website, and make a large retargeting audience like that. So a lot of different options as far as YouTube retargeting. So let's get into how to get started with doing this. And we're going to start in our Google Ads account. Now, the very first thing you want to do is make sure that your Google Ads account is linked to your YouTube channel and also to your Google Analytics 4 account. So if you don't have a YouTube channel already, you want to create one now because you're going to need one to run YouTube advertising campaigns. And if you don't have a Google Analytics 4 account set up on your website, you want to set that up as well. Both very easy to do. So once you have your Google Ads account, you want to go to Tools and Settings, and under Setup, you're going to see Linked Accounts. So as you can see here, I have both of these linked already. If you don't, you're going to see down here Details. So you want to click on Details for YouTube and click on Details for Google Analytics 4, GA4, and Firebase. So when you do click on it, you're going to go to a page that looks something like this one here. And all you need to do, you can see they have a suggested channel, Surfside PPC here. If I click on link, all I need to do is complete that link with my Surfside PPC channel. And it's really that simple to link a channel to my Google Ads account. You can see I already have my Beachfront Decor account linked here. So one of the permissions it gives you when you link your channel is remarketing. So that's why you want to make sure that you link your channel. Click on the plus sign here, search for the channel, or paste the channel URL. It will come up. All you need to do is click on the link button that will come up, and then you just need to complete the link directly in your YouTube account. So since I'm using the same Google account, when I clicked on link, it just made me sign in to my Google account one more time and confirm linking my YouTube channel to my Google Ads account. Now, the other thing you want to do is if we come back over here to linked accounts is your Google Analytics 4 account. So if we go to manage and link, you're going to see here I have my property linked. So it should come up if you're using the same Google account. Otherwise, the other thing you can do is go to your Google Analytics account, and then under property, if we scroll down, you can see Google Ads links. And what you can do is click on link here, and you can link to a Google Ads account you manage and choose from one of the Google accounts there. Otherwise, what you might need to do is actually request to link if it is a client account using the account ID. Now, a couple of things you want to do in your Google Analytics 4 account as well is make sure you have personalized advertising enabled. So when you click on the link here and you scroll down under data configurations, you're going to see enable personalized advertising. You want to make sure you have that on. Now, the other thing you want to do is if we come back here, we're in the admin screen of our Google Analytics 4 account, is you want to go to data settings and you want to go to data collection. Under data collection, you're going to see Google Signals data collection. You need to make sure this is on. And if you scroll down here, you need to acknowledge the user data collection acknowledgement. So you need to make sure you acknowledge this down here, which I already did. There's just a button you need to click. And then you need to make sure you turn on Google Signals data collection, which will enable remarketing for your Google Analytics 4 account. And since we've linked our Google Analytics 4 account with our Google Ads account, we're able to create audiences directly in our Google Ads account, not only for people who are visiting our website, but also for people who are watching videos on our YouTube channel. So let's start doing that now. Let's come over here to Tools and Settings again, and we're going to go to Shared Library, and we're going to go to Audience Manager. Hey everyone, thank you for your support watching my videos over the years. If you want to continue to support my channels while also using some of the best marketing tools, you can try either SEMrush or SpyFu if you haven't already. Both are great PPC and SEO tools. If you use the link at the bottom here for either one, they are affiliate links, so it will help support my channel and support Surfside PPC. If you're not interested, no problem. Back to the video. One step at a time. Retargeting our YouTube viewers. So if we come back over here, we click on the plus sign here to create a remarketing list. You're going to see some of the different options: website visitors, app users, YouTube users, or a customer list. And then you can also create custom combination for multiple existing remarketing lists. So I'm not going to be going over app users or customer lists in this video, but you can also incorporate a mobile app remarketing audience if you have a mobile app, and you can upload a customer list as well from people who have given you their email addresses. So what we can do first is we will come to YouTube users. So we're going to do audience segment name. We'll do all viewers. And then what we want to do is select a YouTube channel here. You can see my YouTube channel for Beachfront Decor. So this is the one we're going to select. And then what we're going to do is people who have taken the following action, viewed any video over the last 30 days. We can also pre-fill this segment with people who have matched the rules within the last 30 days as well. So that's all we're doing is viewed any video in the last 30 days, click on save, and it's that simple to create that audience. You could also do people who view certain videos, enter the YouTube URLs for each individual video that you want people, if they've watched that video, they're going to be added to this list. So you can do viewed any video as ads. That's what we'll do for the next one. Viewed certain videos as ads. So for this one, we'll do viewed any video last 30 days. So all YouTube viewers, 30 days. And we will click on save. Okay, now you're going to see we have this one created here, so it's populating. So the next thing we want to do is click on the plus sign again. We're going to do number 2, retargeting YouTube ad viewers. So if we come back over here, we do our YouTube users again. Again, we're going to do, okay, so we'll do YouTube ad viewers 30 days. Anyone who's watched any of our YouTube ads. So we're going to do viewed any video as ads. You can also do certain videos if you want to just focus on a certain video you're running as an advertisement. Viewed any video as ads in the past 30 days, and we'll click on save. So that's going to give us number 2, retargeting our YouTube ad viewers. Next is going to be retargeting our website visitors. So we're still here in our audience manager, and we're going to click on the plus sign again. We're going to do website visitors. And what it's going to do is we're going to name our audience segment. So we'll do all visitors 30 days. Segment members. So we could do visitors of a page who also visited another page. And to do all visitors, what we need to do is visitors of a page who match any rule group page URL contains, and all we need to do is beachfrontdecor.com. Now, if you're creating a segment like this and you just linked your Google Ads in your Google Analytics account, and maybe you just enabled Google data signals as well, you might take a little time for your audience segment size to actually populate. So if I come over here to my Google Analytics 4 account, one thing you want to do is just make sure, go to data settings, data collection, just make sure your Google Signals data collection is on. So if it's on, the other thing that you can do is we can come over here to configure, and we can go to audiences, and you can make sure that you have an audience here. So we just have all users, and this one has over 18,000 users that we can target. So this audience segment will populate over time. So don't be too worried if you see 0 cookies when you first start doing this. Just double check that you have your remarketing enabled and you have your Google Ads and Google Analytics accounts linked. So we're going to create this audience. We're going to pre-fill the segment from the past 30 days. People stay in this audience segment for 30 days. You can enter a description if you want, but we're going to create this segment. Okay, so next what we're going to do is target people on YouTube. So we're going to come back over here real quick. We're going to retarget YouTube engagement. So we're going to target YouTube users. So we'll do YouTube engagement, and let's do 60 days for this. So we'll expand this one a little bit. So we'll select our YouTube channel. We will go to action. So what you can do under action is somebody who subscribed to the channel, visited the channel page, liked any video, added any video to a playlist, or shared any video. So let's do subscribers. So let's just choose subscribers, and we'll say any subscribers over the last 90 days will do. Okay, so that will be subscribed to the channel in the last 90 days. We can pre-fill this segment from people from the past 30 days. You can add a segment description if you want. We'll click on save. Okay, so then we're also going to come up here, do the plus sign again, do YouTube users. Let's select our channel and let's do anybody who has liked any of our videos. So we will do, okay, so we'll do liked YouTube videos, 90 days. We have our channel. The action is like any videos over the past 90 days. And we'll pre-fill the segment with people from the past 30 days. Now what you can do is for every single action here, added any video to a playlist, visited the channel page, shared any video, we can create audiences for all of them. I'm just going to create these 2 for right now as far as engagement. So we have a couple different engaged audiences. So that will bring us to number 5, combining our retargeting audiences. So let's just say we want to do a custom combination. So we're going to do our combined YouTube and website. Okay, and then what we're going to do is you're going to see any of these audience segments. So we can do all visitors over the last 30 days, the one that we just created. If we come over here to YouTube users, let's do all viewers over the last 30 days, liked any videos last 90 days, subscribers over the last 90 days. You can also create an engaged audience on YouTube and just say anybody who's liked a video, subscribed, anybody who shared a video. So use all of those different audiences to create an engaged YouTube audience. So let's say anybody who's viewed a video ad over the last 30 days, and that should be good for right now. So we have all visitors on our website 30 days, and then people who have subscribed, liked YouTube videos over 90 days, and viewed any YouTube videos or video ads. So what we can do is create this segment. So we have our combined YouTube and website retargeting. We'll create that segment. Now all we have to do to use these in our campaigns is we come back over to the main campaign screen. You click on the plus sign to create a new campaign. Let's say we want to drive sales. Since we're using our remarketing audiences, you really want to focus on your conversion goals when you are doing that. So we will focus on purchases. I will get rid of my book appointments goal. Click on continue. We're going to choose video as our campaign type, and we are going to drive conversions with video ads. So we'll click on continue. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole campaign creation process. You can find my YouTube ads tutorial on my channel for how to create a YouTube ads campaign like this. But let's scroll down and let's just show people who we want to reach. So we're going to have optimized targeting set up. So it's going to help us get conversion by using information such as our landing page and assets to hopefully find more people who are going to be interested in what we're targeting. So under any audience segment, what you can do here is go to your data. And from here, we'll go to browse under your data, and you're going to see website visitors. So the one we just created was all visitors over the last 30 days. So this size is 0. But if we click on this, this is how we can target all visitors. And that's all you need to do if you want to target anybody who's went to your website over the last 30 days. Continue to go through the process of setting up your video ads and create your campaign. What you could do is create your campaign and then create multiple ad groups with the same exact video ads. So I've shown this in other videos. After you launch your campaign, you can copy and paste your ad groups. So all you need to do for each ad group after you copy and paste it is just adjust the targeting in each individual ad group. So you would have one ad group with all visitors 30 days. And then what we can do is, let's say we do our custom combination segment, our combined YouTube and website retargeting, the number 5 down here, the combined retargeting audiences that we just created. Now let's come back over here. We'll get rid of this one for now just to show some of the YouTube examples. So again, you're going to your data, people who have previously interacted with your business. And in here, what you're going to do is click on browse, go to our YouTube users, click on the drop down, and now you can see anybody who's viewed our YouTube videos over the last 30 days, we can target them. Anybody who's liked our YouTube videos, and you can choose multiple audiences in here. So if you want to just combine audiences here in your campaign, you can do that as well. So some different options as far as retargeting and making sure you're reaching people who are actually watching your YouTube videos, watching your YouTube video ads, anybody who's visiting your website, anybody who's engaging with your YouTube channel. And you can also combine all of these audiences as well into one large retargeting audience. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.